nails, hair, hips, heels.
When we are creating our shows, we obviously have to choreograph.
Deal, legs, face,
The
eyes.
theme for our float is Drop Dead Gorgeous. In the last couple of weeks, we've had a mad rush on to try and get the work done in time for the Mardi Gras parade.
Girl, what did that girl just say, girl?
Basically, we're filming the process, so that way they all have a copy of the actual choreo, because we can't all be here at the same time.
The puppets are coming together. We've got the bodies are made and finished, the heads are made and finished, and we're also painting the highlights on the bodies of the skeletons. So Dolly Parton needs her lipstick painted on.
So we want to get this hair done today.
Kylie Minogue needs her eyeballs finished.
It's pretty exciting because it's something new and it's going to be used for like a really big event, which is kind of cool.
It's really fabulous that all these courses can come together. I've got the Certificate 4 in multidiscipline design. I've got the Diploma Live Production Design, and I've got the Diploma Graphic Design and Illustration. We're going to have a sneak peek of 2 of our puppets at Fair Day, and it's a really great chance for us to test the puppets and make sure they're working properly and that they're not too heavy and the performer can move and operate them. The students are really excited and we are putting pressure on them to finish it all off and get it done in time.
The energy is very, very high. It's a different elevation.
The crowd roars as you walk past, and it's a real energy on the street, on the parade. It's fantastic.
Camera, click, we pose.
See you at Mardi Gras 2023.